Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over Nvirworld. Ticker symbol is NVIR. This token is just about to be listed on a central exchange tomorrow, September 20th. Today's the 19th. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. Before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this video here. So, Nvirworld is about to be listed tomorrow on Mexc Global. Now, if you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, you would just go right through that Mexc Global referral code in the description. Fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search NVIR, and then you'd simply just buy the token. But of course, you can't do that until September 20th at 12 o'clock UTC time. That's when it gets listed on Mexc. Now, if you want to find their Twitter, it is at Nvirworld, pretty straightforward. It says, Nvirworld is a virtual user-focused ecosystem that envisions an ideal digital world. Discover our main 3 platforms, NFT Marketplace, NHub, and Nvirland. They have 23,000 followers on their Twitter, so they're doing very well, very established project. On their Twitter, you can find a full link tree that's going to have their webpage. It's going to have a couple different telegrams, one in English, one in Korean, Discord, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Reddit, and Kakao Talk. You can find that as well. Now, if you want to find their webpage, pretty simple. It's nvirworld.com. Over there, you can find the NHub, Nvir Market, Bank of Nverse, and Ecosystem. Also, looks like they have different articles on here that you could check out. If I click on this, there is a roadmap as well. Looks like events, ongoing events, closed events, pools. It says, new play to earn. Nvir's world is a new normal and enables the ideal digital environment. So we have the Bank O Nverse. And it says, contact-free meta finance service that allows users to enjoy NFT P2P investments more conveniently with innovational fintech technologies that combines blockchain technology and finance. Also, NHub. So NHub is in Nvirworld's DeFi digital asset platform. It's an exchange where you can invest the digital currency and virtual currency in synthetic assets issued through swapping and staking the Nvir token and Ethereum. And then we have the Nvir Market, Ethereum-based NFT coin exchange. Nvir Market is a platform for minting, selling, buying, and trading digital assets along with original NFT collections, art, paintings, artworks, and creative works. And then the white paper. So here's where you find the white paper. It says Nvir's white paper with the motto of new play to earn. Nvirworld is a new concept blockchain which aims to create a new digital world where everything users enjoy becomes profitable. And lastly, we got the Nvirworld X Club, Nvirworld's exclusive membership service. 10,000 Nvir Space Pilot collections of Solana-based NFTs used as Nvir's digital membership card. So total supply here, it looks like, it says $, but I'm not sure if that means tokens, but it says $249,907.56, it says for some reason. $sign should also be in the front and not at the end. I don't know. I believe this is translated from Korean. Because they have a Korean telegram as well. It says so far they've burnt 885,107.25 Nvir tokens. They have different rewards, donations section here. They have a pie chart here basically that shows you how much goes to what. It doesn't have percentages on it though. It says fintech innovation in the Web3 era, reforming the future of contact-free finance with Banco Nvir. Kind of talked about that already. We also have the introduction of the core technology S2K-L2 system, which is NHub. S2K-L2 is a service that secures abundant liquidity and volume by lowering barriers of entry for DeFi transactions and solves gas costs issues that occur for each transaction in order to ease burdens of users and maximize convenience. The groundbreaking Nvir market, user convenience and minimized gas fees. Nvir market is the only NFT marketplace with transparency and fairness based on a decentralized system and rational service of centralized systems through hybrid technology. The Nvirians are the Nvir Knights who protect the Nvirworld. The overlapping appearance of the two spheres of the Nvirian symbol visualizes two hands holding each other, and the union of the two spheres symbolizes the harmony between the Nvirworld and Nvirians. Enjoy membership clubs at Nvirworld with the X Club, the beginning of the new play to earn, where all activities become profitable beyond limits of the game. And the way to enjoy exclusive benefits in Nvirworld is to become a Nvirworld X Club member. Become a member and experience the pride that comes with special benefits. So on the roadmap here, they're starting in all the way back in Q4 2020 with Nvirworld project planning, Nvirworld system planning, digital art, blockchain and NFT data collection, artist data collection. Then we got Nvirworld history 2021. Q1, Nvirworld online platform planning, development. Then we got the Q2 last year, Korean Fine Arts Association MOU contract, International Arts contract, Nvirworld trademark application, and DApp beta version. Then Q3, hybrid decentralized system, DApp NV 2.0 development. Korean animation artist contract, hybrid decentralized system, DeFi service development. Then Q4 last year, we got Nvir service plan development, minting NFT assurance, first airdrops. Then we got, so it looks like they must have had a previous token called the NWX token. That's the ticker symbol. It looks like this might be the new one. Yeah, so the Nvir token, the new one, is the governance token, and the old one, NWX, that looks like it is the utility token that you could use for merch drop. They had a merch drop, coin assurance, mainnet launch, open world, beta source, casual RPG, all these things for the other token, and then now we got the governance token, the Nvir token. So that's the new one. And then eventually in Q4 this year, they're going to have Nvirworld mainnet update layer 3 and casual RPG version coming right now in Q3. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes, especially that Mexc Global one where this token is going to be listed. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.